I used to think YouTube automation was this big mystery only tech geniuses could figure out. But in 100 days, I built and sold my first done-for-you faceless channel using only free tools and a clear system. Here's exactly how I did it. Day 1. I sat at my desk with a blank Notion board open. My goal was simple: find one niche that could make money without showing my face. I opened VidIQ and typed motivational shorts. The competition was too high. Then I tried digital side hustles, which had less competition. I tracked all my research in a Notion table, one column for ideas, one for RPM, one for growth potential. Day 3. I searched YouTube using filters to find faceless channels in the niches I was researching. I noted their video styles, top performing videos, length of videos, and upload frequency. Day 5. I went to Social Blade and typed in the top 3 channel names. The RPM ranges looked solid, around $4 to $7. I calculated that 1,000 views could actually bring in profit. If scaled right, I logged every detail in Notion: niche idea, RPM estimate, engagement rate, and content format. Day 10. My research board was full: 10 niches, ranked by profit, competition, and scalability. Based on my research, I decided to go for the digital side hustles niche. Day 11. I moved to branding. I opened ChatGPT and asked for 10 possible channel names and a short value proposition. I picked the best one. Day 13. Using Canva's free plan, I built a logo using simple shapes, a clean icon, bold text, then a YouTube banner that matched the same color palette. Day 15. I opened Google Docs and created 3 templates: one for scripts, one for checklists, one for uploading. Each file had headers and boxes ready to fill. Day 20. I set up my Notion dashboard for workflow: one column for scripts, one for voiceovers, one for edits, one for uploads. Each task had checkboxes I added tags for: in progress and done. Day 26. I started creating the first 5 videos. I wrote each script inside ChatGPT using my own prompt template. I edited the tone, added emotion, and adjusted for pacing. Day 30. I opened 11 Labs and pasted in my first script. I downloaded the voiceover audio and dragged it into a folder labeled voiceovers. Day 32. I tested visuals with Pika. The clips looked cinematic and clean. I generated short animations for each line of narration. Day 35. I imported everything into CapCut Desktop. Each video had background music, captions, and transitions. I followed one simple rule: keep it under 90 seconds and deliver value immediately. Day 40. I opened Canva again to design thumbnails. Bold text, clear emotion, high contrast. Each thumbnail matched the same brand colors. I made 5 variations, then saved them in a thumbnail templates folder. Day 45. I had 5 completed videos. The workflow from script to upload took under 2 hours per video. I documented every step so I could repeat or hand it off. Day 46. I uploaded the first video to YouTube Studio. The title came from ChatGPT and included the main keyword from VidIQ. The description used 2 secondary keywords I found with keywords everywhere. I generated a block of tags with rapid tags and pasted them in. Day 50. Views started trickling in. CTR was above 6%. I tracked everything in a simple Google sheet: title, CTR, views, and watch time. This helped me see what worked. Day 61. I began organizing the deliverables for a done-for-you client. I opened Google Drive and created folders: one for channel assets, one for SOPs, one for analytics, one for video files. I uploaded the logo, banner, thumbnail templates, and my Notion workflow link. Day 70. I recorded a short walkthrough using Tela. My screen showed the dashboard, templates, and channel analytics. I spoke clearly, showing how a buyer could take over and keep posting immediately. Day 75. I zipped all the folders and named it YouTube Automation DFY Package V1. Inside it were 5 videos, performance data, templates, and process docs. It was ready for sale. Day 86. I built a 1-page portfolio using Card. It displayed my channel screenshots, workflow overview, and a button to buy or collaborate. Day 88. I listed the offer on FameSwap and Acquire. I also joined a few Facebook groups where people actively buy and sell faceless channels. Day 90. I wrote and sent out 10 short outreach messages using ChatGPT. Day 95. A potential buyer replied. They wanted to see analytics and workflow proof. I sent the tele walkthrough link and screenshots. Day 98. The buyer confirmed. We agreed on a price that covered my time and profit. I created a simple invoice using Stripe and received payment that same day. Day 100, the channel was officially sold. I transferred ownership, shared the Google Drive link, and updated my Notion dashboard to completed. My 100-day challenge was done. Will you take on this challenge?